Good evening to Gagan Sai. Today is the 8th class mathematics, chapter number 1, rational numbers. Today we will learn the exercise 1.1 in Telangana State Book, page number 23. Today we will learn the 4 to 8 problems in this video or in this class. Okay? Are you understood of the previous class?
Yes.
1 to 3 bits problems it's over.
Yes.
Are you any doubts?
No.
No doubts. Shall I start the today class?
Yes.
Yeah. Be carefully, listen better, neatly. First, I read the problem in our textbook. Other book is also expert book part 1. That also some examples also it's over. All those properties. Examples it's over. Based on these topics, today we will learn the remaining problems, 4 to 8 problems. Today we will learn it only. First I read the problem in our textbook. Multiply 2 by 11 by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 11. This is the question. Multiply by 2 by 11. Reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. Reciprocal. Reciprocal means is the multiplicative inverse only.
Inverse.
What is the reciprocal of the minus 5 by 14?
14 by minus 5.
14 by minus 5. Numerator and denominator is changed only. First, let the solution for this problem. The reciprocal of minus 5 by 4. Look at the notebook, be carefully, listen better. This is the revision class. The chapter is over on our blackboard only. So that's why today we will learn on our notebook revision class. The reciprocal of minus 5 by 14 equal to what is the 14 by minus 5. This is the reciprocal. Multiply 2 by 11 into reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. So 2 by 11 multiply means into symbol minus 14 by 5. Multiply these two terms. How much of value we will get it only. So product of the numerator by product of the denominator. So 14 to the minus 28 by denominator 11 cross 5. 11 5 is a 55. Okay. So this is the answer. So 2 by 11 into minus 14 by 5 equal to minus 28 by 55. This is the answer. Are you clear, Gagan? Say neatly. Yeah, this is the solution. It's over, and next we will go to the fifth one. First, I read the problem in our textbook. Which properties can be used in computing? 2 by 5 into bracket of 5 cross 7 by 6 plus 1 by 3 into bracket of 3 cross 4 by 11. This is the question. First one product is give this product, and which properties can be used in this product, in this computing? Which properties, how many properties are there in this product? We write it one by one only. Let the solution for this problem. One product is give. Let's say observe this product, Gagan Sai. First, this is the one term and this is the other term. Yeah, multiplication of these two terms. And next, this is also multiplication of these two terms. These two terms are separated with the addition symbol only. First, what will you do here? We have to try to find some properties are involved in this product. What is this property, Gagan Sai? Do you know the property? A cross B cross C plus A cross B cross C. So what is this property? A cross B cross C, bracket of B cross C. A cross B cross C. Are you understood? Here we have multiplication. This is one term, and here we have multiplication. This is another term in this entire term. What is this property? This is the associative property. Multiplication of the associative property. What is this associative property? A is multiplied by these two terms, B cross C,
Okay.
equal to A cross B. First two terms, multiplication of the first two terms into third term, that is C only. So this is the associative property of multiplication only. First bring these two terms. Okay, this is the A cross B cross C. So first bring these two terms, A cross B into C. But because here it is the 5 is the both are the same numbers. These two terms is cancel, here it is. So a calculation is very simple only. Okay, first bring these two terms. You have to write it in your bracket. Next, third term. Okay, next in this multiplication, in this product of these two terms, first one is the A cross B. So 1 by 3 into 3. Bring these two terms. You have to write it in your bracket into third term. Third term means 4 by 11. So what is these properties are used in this product? This is the associative property of multiplication. See better neatly. Observe here. Look at here. Look at here, Gagan side. Next, simplification. Here it is these two terms is cancel only. 5 is cancel and 3 is cancel only. So remaining is, what's the remaining? 2 cross 7 by 6 plus here it is 1 cross 4 by 11. Remaining product. What's the remaining product? In the first term. First term is this one, 2 cross 7 by 6 plus in this second term, what's the remaining product is 1 cross 4 by 11.
Okay.
Here it is also another property is also here also we using another properties. What's the properties? 2 by 5. 2 by 5 means 2 into 1 by 5 into 5. So what's the property? A into 1 by A equal to 1 by A into A equal to, it gives the answer is 1. What is this property? Do you know that this property, Gagan Sai? Multiplicative inverse property are using in this one only, this product. But because 5 is multiplicative inverse of 1 by 5. Okay, 2 by 5 it can be written as 2 into 1 by 5 into 5. Other property also are using in this product only. So what is this other property? Multiplicative inverse. Okay, associative property means this one only.
Okay.
Okay, cross C1. Okay,
Okay.
simplify this one Gagan side. 2 1 ja 1 and 2 3 ja 6.
6.
So 7 by 3 first term, and second term is 1 cross 4 by 11. So 4 by 11. So another property is also using here it is also. Here it is the any two rational number. Sum is it gives the rational number only. So here it is the one rational number plus other rational number. Sum addition. Here it is the these two is separated with the addition symbol only.
Okay.
Okay. Any two rational number, sum is always rational number. So what is this property? Do you know this property? Closure property
Property.
under.
Addition.
But because here it is the plus sign there only.
Okay.
Two terms between them. Which sign here it is? Addition sign.
Addition.
So what is the property are using here? It is closure property.
Under addition.
Property under
Addition.
addition. A plus B equal to C. This property are using this one. Take LCM. These two terms. Take LCM is the 3 cross 11. So 33. Take LCM of 3 comma 11 is 3 cross 11 equal to 33. Okay, 33 is the this one. Next denominator, here it is the first term denominator is 3. So here it is LCM is 33 only. First equivalent to the denominators. First 3 is, which number is multiplied by 3? We will get this one. 3 is multiplied by the 11. And numerator is also multiplied by 11. Same number only. So next second term. Second term is 11. Here it is the denominator is 11 and here it is the denominator is 33 only. So both are is equivalent denominator.
Okay.
So 11 is multiplied by the 3. We will get this 33 only. And numerator is also multiplied by 3 only. So 7 11 ja 77 plus here both are that denominators is equal only. So you write it the numerators. 4 cross 3 12. Okay, sum of these two terms, how much of value we will get it? 77 plus 12. So 7 plus 2 9. 7 plus 1 89. 89 by 33. Okay, are you clear Gagan neatly? Next, another property also are using involved in this problem. In this problem another property is also how to write it only. 1 cross 89 by 33 equal to 89 by 33. Okay, here it is also you write it the inverse property is also. Inverse property means is the 33 by 89. It gives the answer is 1 only. That is also multiplicative inverse. These are other properties. What's the properties are you using here? It is since what's the multiplicative identity. Do you know the multiplicative identity property? A cross 1 equal to A.
Yeah.
Gives the same term only. This is the final answer is, what's the final answer? Give the product. What is the product? 2 by 5 into 5 by 5 cross 7 by 6 plus 1 by 3 into 3 cross 4 by 11 equal to 89 by 33. This is the final answer. Are you understood, Gagan Sai? Which properties can be used in this computing? Okay. How many properties are they can be used in this problem, Gagan Sai? This the given problem is 4. What is the properties? Names. One is the associative property of multiplication, and second one is the multiplicative inverse. This is the second property, and third property is closure property under addition. Next, fourth property is multiplicative identity. These all are properties are involved in this above product. Okay, are you understood this problem? Okay, this is the solution for this problem. It's over. Are you understood, Gagan Sai, neatly?
Yes.
Next, we will go to the next one.
Other one.
Sixth problem. First of all, I read the problem in our textbook. Verify the following and write the property used. First, I read it only. This problem. 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2 bracket of this one. These two only. Plus minus 3 by 2 equal to 5 by 4 plus bracket of minus 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2 bracket close. Okay, this is given. So verify it. Verify this property is verified or not. Verify means is this is the LHS part, this is the RHS part. LHS part is equal to the RHS part. Which property are used? Write the property name. You write it. First, one by one. Let the solution for this problem. First, write the solution step by step. Yeah, this is the LHS part and this is the RHS part. Is it a verify or not? This is the one property is given. Is it a verify LHS or RHS only? This is the LHS part and this is the RHS part. Verify or not only. So first, yeah, first two terms. Two terms. Sum of these two terms and then third term equal to first term plus sum of the second and third term. Sum. What is this property? This is the A plus B. This is the A plus B plus C equal to this RHS part is A plus B plus C. What is this property? Do you know this property?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me this property.
Associative property under addition.
Yeah, what is this property?
Associative property under addition.
Very good. Associative property
Under addition.
under addition. Property under addition. Why? Because here these two terms are separated with plus sign only. So under addition. Addition symbol there. These two terms is separated with addition symbol. So addition only. So this is LHS part and this is RHS first. First calculate the LHS parts. How to find out this part only. LHS part. 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2. Next 5 by 4 plus into minus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2. So take the LCM of these two terms 4 comma 2. What is the LCM of these two terms, Gagan Sai? LCM of 2 comma 4. Let us do it rough work here. 2 comma 4 LCM is 2 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4. So 2 table, 2 1 ja 1, 2 1 ja 1. So what's the LCM? 2 cross 2 equal to 4. 4 is the LCM. Next 4, here it is the denominators is both are the same, equivalent only. So 4 numerator is as it is write it the numerator. Next here the second term is 2 only. Here it is the LCM is 4. So 2 is multiplied by 2. We will get this 4 only. So numerator is also multiplied by 2. So 2 only. 1 2 ja 2. 1 2 ja 2. Plus minus 3 by 2. Next 5 minus 2 by 4. 5 minus 2 by 4 means 3 by 4. Here it is the plus into minus, minus 1. So minus 3 by 2. Again take the LCM. These two only. LCM is 4. 2 comma 4 LCM is 4. So numerator is denominators is same. So we write it the numerator. So 2 comma here it is the 2 only. Denominators is 2. So equivalent to the denominators only. 2 is multiplied by the 2. We will get this 4 only. So numerator is also multiplied by 2. So 3 2 ja 6 equal to 3 minus 6 by 4. So minus 3 by 4. What's the LHS? So LHS equal to minus 3 by 4. Okay. Next RHS part. Next verify the RHS part. Let us take the RHS part. RHS is 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2. Okay. Next 5 by 4 plus here it is the take the LCM. LCM of these two terms. LCM is 2 only. So denominators is same. So you have to write it the numerator as it is. Next here it is also denominators is same. So as it is write it the numerator. Plus into minus is minus 3. Are you clear? 5 by 4 plus here is a bracket of minus 1 minus 4 is minus 4 by 2. Next 5 by 4 plus into minus is minus, removing the brackets. So plus into minus is minus 4 by 2. So again take the LCM. LCM is 4 comma 2 is 4. For denominators is same as it is write it the numerators only. So here it is 2 is multiplied by the 2. We will get the denominator LCM or denominator equal 4 only. So and numerator is also multiplied by 2 only. So 4 to ja 8. So what is the 5 minus 8 by 4? So minus 3 by 4. This is the RHS only. RHS equal to minus 3 by 4. LHS is also equal or not, Gagan Sai? Tell me the answer. LHS
is
equal to RHS. So LHS is minus 3 by 4. RHS is also, we got the answer is minus 3 by 4. Both answers is minus 3 by 4. Is it equal?
yes.
Yes. It is verified only. So therefore the given given problem is verified or given question verified, and write the properties used. And what's the property are used in this one? This is the associative property. Which property Gagan sai? Associative property under addition. Okay, under addition property are used only. Yeah, both are is it equal, so that's why it is verified. And which property are used in this one? Associative property under addition only. So this is the sixth problem solution. It's over. Are you clear? Next we will go to the seventh one. First I read the problem in our textbook. Be carefully, listen better neatly. Evaluate 3 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus bracket of minus 2 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 after rearrangement. Okay. Yeah, these are terms 1, 2, 3, 4 terms gave only. So after rearrangement, what we will get the answer? The sum of the 4 terms is given. So after rearrangement, what we will get it only? What we will get the final answer? First, write the solution. Let the solution for this problem. Write the solution. So you write it one by one only. First, 4 terms. We write the 4 terms. 7 by 3 plus minus 2 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 1. First, just look here Gagan side or observe here. Words are here it is the denominators and numerators. Observe here it is. Here it is the 3 by 5. Here it is also minus 2 by 5. First and third term is denominators is same. Is it correct? And next second and third term. Second, third term is denominators is same. So first after rearrangement is same denominators are 2 terms are you write it only. First one. First you write how to write it, these 2 terms. We should take these 2 only. 3 by 5 plus minus 2 by 5. This one only bringing these 2 terms. Next another one bringing these 2 terms. 7 by 3. Yeah, plus into minus is minus. Otherwise plus or minus. Okay. Next, why? Because these denominators is the same only. Take the LCM of these 2 terms. And next, yeah, denominators is same. You have to write it the same numerator as it is, write it. And next, these 2 terms take the LCM is. So you have to write it the numerator as it is only. So 3 plus into minus is minus 2. 3 minus 2 by 5 plus here it is 7 plus into minus is minus, removing the brackets. So minus 2 by 3. So here it is the 3 minus 2 is 1 by 5 plus 7 minus 2 5 by 3. Next, take the LCM of 5 comma 3.
Okay.
Let us do it rough work.
Okay.
Here 5 comma 3.
Okay.
LCM of 5 comma 3 equal 5 cross 3.
Okay.
So 15. LCM is 15 only. 15 LCM. So 5. Here it is the denominators is 5 and LCM is 15. This is also denominators, but the equivalent denominators. 5 is, which number is multiplied by 5? We will get this one. 5 is multiplied by 3 only. So numerator is also multiplied by 3. And same number is multiplied on
5.
both above and below. And the 3 is multiplied by 5 and numerator is also multiplied by 5. So 3, 1 cross 3 equal 3 plus 5 5 ja 25. Okay. Next,
Okay.
25 plus 3. What's the sum of these two terms? We will get the 28 by 15.
Okay.
Are you clear, Gagan Sai?
Yes.
Yeah. After rearrangement, the final answer is this one only.
Okay.
What's the answer? 28 by 50.
15.
Yeah. This solution is over. 7th problem solution is over. And next we will go to the 8th problem. Subtract. In this bit, 1, 2, 3 bits only. All are the same models of problems.
Okay.
Subtract. 2 terms is give, subtracting out these 2 terms only. How much of value we will get is. All are the same models. Your first one, first problem, 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. Second one, minus 32 by 13 from 2. Third one is minus 7 from minus 4 by 7. Very simple only.
Okay.
Do you know the subtract method, Gagan Sai?
Yes.
It's very easy only. Yeah. First, let the solution for this first problem. This one only. Subtracting up 3 by 4 from 1 by 2. So, let the solution 1 by 3 minus 3 by 4. Okay. Take the LCM of these two terms. 3 comma 4 LCM is 12.
12.
LCM of 3 comma 4 equal 12. 3 4 ja 12. 12 one. First equivalent denominators. 3 is here, it is the denominators is not equal. So 3 is multiplied by which number is multiplied by 3? 4. And numerator is also 4. And second term denominators is not equal. So 4 is multiplied by which number? 3. And numerator is also 3 only. So 4 is multiplied by 3. And numerator is also multiplied only. So 1 cross 4 is 4. And 3 3 ja 9.
5 by 12.
So 4 minus 9 is 5 minus 5 by 12. Okay. Therefore the 3 by 4 from 1 by 3 equal to minus 5 by 12. This is the first bit. It's over. Next we will go to the second one. Second problem solution. Minus 32 by 13 from 2 only. So 2 minus 32 by 13. So 2 minus into minus is plus only. So 2 minus plus 32 by 13. Here it is the denominators is 1. Take the LCM of these two terms. How much of value we will get it only. So take the LCM is 13 only. So 1 is multiplied by 13 and numerator is also multiplied by 13. So second term denominators, both denominators is same only. So numerators is as it is, you write it only. So 2 cross 13. 13 2 ja 26 plus 32.
Okay.
So sum of these two terms, how much of value we will get it only. 26 plus 32. So 6 plus 2, 8. 2 plus 5, 2 plus 3, not 5. 2 plus 3 is 5 only. So 58 by 13. Okay.
Okay.
Therefore, minus 32 by 13 from 2 equal 58 by 13. This is
Okay.
the answer, final answer. It's over.
Okay.
Okay. Next, we will go to the third one. Or moving on to the next one. Minus 7 from minus 4 by 7 only. So minus 4 by 7 minus of minus 7. Okay, minus 4 by 7, minus into minus plus, removing the brackets, plus 1, so plus 7. Take the LCM of these two terms, 7 only. This is the rough calculation. Okay, yeah, next rough work. This is the rough work. Here it is. Next, here denominators, both the denominators is same. First term denominators is same, so as it is write it the numerators. Next, second term denominators is not equal, so first equivalent the denominators. 1 is multiplied, which number is multiplied by the 1? We will get the 7. 7 is multiplied by, and numerator is also 7 only. So 7 7 ja 49. 49 minus 4. What's the value? 45 by 7.
Okay.
Why? Because plus sign is bigger only. Then comparing to the minus sign of the number. Plus sign of the number is bigger than comparing to the minus sign of the number. So
Okay.
we will get the final answer is, what's the final answer of the third problem?
45 by 7.
Yeah, very good. Minus 7 from minus 4 by 7 equal, what's the answer? 45 by 7. This is the final answer. Are you clear?
Okay.
Yeah, this is the 4 problems. It's over in this class. Today class Gagan Sai. Remaining all our problems, it's over. Are you understood, Gagan Sai?
Okay.
Yeah, this is the all of the finishing this exercise, all our problems, and blackboard class is over, and notes is also it's over. So are you any doubts today class?
No.
So practice, these all our questions are practice, Gagan Sai. At home you can practice only. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, today's the class is over. Say thank you, have a nice day.
So
I
bye-bye.
hope you are you understood of today class.
Yeah.
Yeah. Say thank you, have a nice day. Thank you for watching my videos. Say bye.